Hey everyone, this is Wael Ibrahim, the author of Beat It 50 Plus Shades of Hope and Better Me 365 Ways to Transform Your Everyday Life. But guess what? I'm not here to promote my books. I'm here to sincerely show a gratitude to my mentors in the field of writing and publishing books, Natasha and Stewart Denman. You see, I had those content for years. I had them on my laptop for years, but I couldn't actually put them into a beautiful, brilliant system that would qualify for something called a book until I met Natasha Denman during her very famous signature workshop, that half-day workshop where I went to actually see who are these crazy people that wanted us to write a book in 48 hours. And actually, right there was a person who asked me, "Are you going to go to that retreat the weekend after this workshop that we were supposed to actually sit and learn that system in details?" I said, "No way." But that night I had a call with Natasha, and right there I knew that this system for me. And guess what? The work of years of research was compiled in just 48 hours. Not the whole words, but at least the system assisted me to put all the content that I knew by heart. I knew by heart in such a very short span of time. In a couple of months, the book was out. And in a couple of months, I was invited as an expert in the field to an extent that recently I spoke in front of 10,000 audience in the Philippines. Guys, I'm not trying to sell you anything here. Just go and try that half-day workshop if you are serious about authoring your book. Natasha Denman, Stewart, I love you guys. Stay well, stay safe, and thank you for your mentoring.